Hi guys, I'm Nicola Banner from Build with Nick. We are here again in Rangeview Garden in Maddington. We're gonna go through the episode 8 of our key handover series and we're gonna visit this house. In terms of the block configuration, it is a 10 by 30, which means the garage will be at the back. They call it cottage block. The land size is 325 square meters, while the lot size or the house size is 197 square meters. The design is our derby design. The client customizes it. It depends on their requirements. In terms of the location of the estate, we are close to Perth Hills, which serve a peaceful lifestyle. You can easily go to Lesmore Falls or the Zigzag. If you want to go through a commercial lifestyle, we have the Westfield Carousel and the Maddington Shopping Center, which is 10 minutes to 15 minutes away from here. Transportation, you have the Maddington train station and we have the Row Highway for easy access going to the airport. Alright, let's go inside. This house is a 4x2x2. Like I said, the garage will be at the back, so we have the master bedroom on my right side. The master bedroom is approximately 3.5 by 3.7. It has a gorgeous ensuite bathroom and it has a walk-in closet as well. All of the bedrooms are carpeted. We have the bedroom 2, or I would say a study room. It is approximately, I would say 3x3. It's quite small, so it's perfect for I would say one single bed. We have a very long walkway. The reason being the block configuration is 10 by 30. Right next to the bedroom 2, we have the bedroom 3. Bedroom 3 is quite spacious. It is approximately 3.2 by 3.7, and we have the bedroom 4 right next to the separate toilet and bathroom. Since the block is 10 by 30, we have a long hallway. Compared to the previous video, this block is 10 by 30, which means the other bedrooms will be right next to each other, and we have the separate toilet and bathroom on the right hand corner. Before we proceed to the main area of this house, like the usual, don't forget to hit that like button, comment below if you have any question or clarification. At the same time, the most important thing, subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's go. This is the main area or the common area. We have the kitchen, we have the dining area and the living area on that side. Approximately dining and living, they are 4 by 7, so roughly 30 square meters. We have the kitchen, which is a U-shaped size, and it is approximately 10 to 12 square meters. With the kitchen, we have the common necessity, which is the sink, range hood, gas stove, oven, space for the fridge and for your pantry as well. One thing that I like with this main area or the overall design of the house, as you can see, there's a lot of natural wood earthy tones, which give you a bit of a vibe of a bit more relaxing, and that really complements with the location of Maddington, which is we are close to the Perth Hills. Before we proceed to the laundry area and the alfresco, let's go through the few things that I like with their kitchen. The first thing is they've chosen the right color for their cupboards. It really complements well with their vinyl sheet. The second thing is they've chosen the right design for their bench top that goes well with the splashback tiles. One thing that you can see with the splashback tiles, it is not fully splashback tiles, but it is a splashback tile, splashback mirror, and you can see what's going on from the inside. Alright, let's proceed to the laundry area. With the laundry, the usual, we have the linen, this washing machine area, and the sink. Before we go outside, we have the garage right behind the living room. Like I said, it is a cottage block, that's why we have the garage behind the house. You can definitely fit 2 large SUV, and that is perfect for a large family. One of the most exciting part of this house is their outdoor area. I spoke to the client and they have a huge plan within their outdoor area. They're planning to put shed, grass, timber wood, and all the other things. So I'm really excited on how the client can maximize this space. Apart from that, they have a bit more space on the right hand side of the house, and they can definitely put a lot of garage items. Alright guys, thank you for watching the key handover episode 8 here in Rangeview Garden in Maddington. If you have any question or clarification, feel free to comment below. And if you want to visit one of our display homes here in Western Australia, feel free to message me through my email or message me on my social media account at Build with Nick through Facebook or Instagram. The most important thing before you leave, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on our next episode. Bye!